Are you confused about TDS on property transactions? Many property buyers and sellers face this issue. In this tutorial, we will guide you through TDS on property, specifically focusing on 26QB filing. Our goal is to help you correctly file TDS and make payments effortlessly. First, let's understand what TDS on property is. TDS stands for tax deducted at source. It's applicable on transactions above a specific threshold. Next, you need to remember that Form 26QB is crucial. This form aids in the payment of TDS to the government. Now, let's break down the steps to file TDS on property. Step 1. Gather necessary details. You need the seller's PAN, buyer's PAN, and the property value. Step 2. Visit the TIN NSDL website. Click on Pay Tax Online. Step 3. Select the appropriate option for TDS on property. Ensure you choose Form 26QB. Step 4. Fill in details accurately. Enter transaction value and TDS amount. Step 5. After filling, generate the challan. Make the payment as instructed. Step 6. Once the payment is done, download the acknowledgement. This is your proof of payment. You also need to generate Form 16B for the seller. This is vital for their income tax filing. Lastly, remember that timely payment of TDS is crucial to avoid penalties. To summarize, you learned about TDS on property and the importance of Form 26QB. We covered the steps to make the payment easily and generate the necessary documents. Now, apply this knowledge during your next property transaction. Don't forget to consult with a tax professional if needed. Your understanding of TDS will ensure smoother property dealings. Like, share and subscribe.